In this, the question is given as fifth root of x power 10, y power negative 4 and divided by x power negative 5 and y square and z power negative 2. And in order to solve this, we need to know two most important rules. And that rule is basically it is whenever you have a mth root of a power n, this can be written as a power n over m. So similarly, whenever you have 1 over a power minus m, so this can be written as a power m. So whenever this goes to the numerator, it will become, the power will become positive, or if the power is in the numerator is negative, if it goes to the denominator, it becomes positive. So that means according to this law, so I can write this as x power 10 by 5 into, and I can take this x power minus 5 to the numerator, so that will be x power positive 5. And I can also take y power minus 2 to the numerator, that would be, sorry, not y, it's z power minus 2 to the numerator, that would be z power 2. And in my denominator, I already have y square, and this y power minus 4, if I take it to the denominator, that would be y power positive 4. And we know one more rule of indices, that is a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. So which is nothing but whenever my base of my index are same, I can add the powers. So by that, so 10 by 5 is nothing but 2. So 2 plus 5, which will be x to the power of 7 and z to the power of 2, and divided by 2 plus 4 is 6, so y power 6. So if I take this to the numerator, or if you look at option C, x power 7, z square and y power 6 is your answer.